New at noon, one center in Newport-News is preparing to help the homeless community as temperatures are starting to climb. And as they work to meet that need, they're preparing for another. Casey Baylor shares how inflation is impacting the center and the community it serves.
After making the move to Newport News about a month ago, Henry Gavers fell on hard times.
I moved from Missouri. I was in the process of helping someone, and in that process, I ran into some bad luck.
He says he became homeless and had to sleep in his car at night for shelter.
I had pillows and a blanket, so I understand what it feels like for the people that have been homeless for a lot of years.
As he works to get back on his feet, he says some things are still trying to knock him down.
I think the biggest thing would be the gas prices, inflation. With everything that's going on, people are struggling.
So he came to the Four Oaks Day Services and Training Center for help. The center is preparing to keep those experiencing homelessness cool for the summer months, but the center's executive director, Quincy says more challenges are on the way.
We are preparing for an influx of folks to come over, hopefully not become homeless.
According to Virginia Commonwealth University's RVA Eviction Lab, evictions in Hampton Roads have decreased throughout the pandemic, but White says numbers are starting to trend upwards.
We're starting to see evictions increase, and we are trying to prepare as best we can on our end for the flood of folks that we see coming.
Quincy says the center has hired a mental health specialist for those in need and has other available resources to prevent homelessness. It leaves Gavers optimistic about his future.
I'm very grateful and very hopeful that I'll be able to get back on my feet soon.
In Newport News, Casey Baylor, 13 News Now.
One center in Newport News is preparing to help the homeless community as temperatures rise. We just told you that story. You can find this full story on our website, 13newsnow.com.